Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Department of Mathematics, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of obtaining half-range cosine series for a given function, where it is of triple valued function. One thing we need to understand, here the range is between 0 to pi, regular. But between 0 to pi, the function is split into three different parts. One, between 0 to pi by 3. Second, from pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Third, from 2 pi by 3 to pi. Here, between 0 to pi by 3, the functional value will be pi by 2. And between pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3, it will be 0. And between 2 pi by 3 to pi, it will be minus pi by 3. Fine. So we need to calculate the value from 0 to pi. Even though it is split into three different parts, that we need to calculate. Since it is required cosine, therefore the cosine half range Fourier series of f of x in 0 to pi is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of an into cos n x. We call it as equation number 1. First we need to calculate an. An is equal to 2 divided by pi integration between 0 to pi f of x dx. But integration between 0 to pi is split into three different parts. One is integration between 0 to pi by 2, where f of x will be pi by 2 with respect to x, plus second integration between pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3, where the functional value will be 0, plus third is integration from 2 pi by 3 to pi, where the functional value is pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3. So the functional value for this is pi by 3, for this it is pi by 3, and middle it is 0. Therefore, E naught equal to 2 by pi into the functional value for this is pi by 3x between 0 to pi by 3 plus this is 0 plus this is minus, I'll take minus outside, then it is pi by 3x between 2 pi by 3 to pi. Fine. This is outside. Therefore, if you calculate this result, then it will be equal to A naught is equal to 2 by pi into, if you put pi by 3 here, it becomes pi by 3 into pi by 3 will be pi square by 9. If you put the value here, then it becomes pi square by 9 minus lower limit 0. And here I'll be taking minus. If you substitute the value here, then it becomes pi square by 3 minus, if you put 2 pi by 3 here, then it becomes 2 pi square by 9. Fine. So this is equal to 2 by pi into pi square by 9 minus pi square by 3 plus 2 pi square by 9, which is further it is equal to E naught is equal to 2 divided by pi into pi square by 9 plus 2 pi square by 9, that is 3 pi square by 9 minus pi square by 3. 1s are 3s are, so it is 0. Therefore, a naught by 2 is equal to 0. Similarly, let us take an. An is 2 divided by pi, integration from 0 to pi, f of x into cos nx dx. Again, this is also split into 3 different parts. 2 divided by pi into 1 from 0 to pi by 3, where the functional value is pi by 3 into cos nx dx, plus middle one is 0 because the functional value itself is 0, plus third is from 2 pi by 3 to pi, where the functional value is minus pi by 3 into cos nx dx. Therefore, an is equal to 2 divided by pi into, here I'll be taking pi by 3 common, and integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n between 0 to pi by 3, plus I'll be taking minus pi by 3 common, then integration of cos nx will be sin nx divided by n between 2 pi by 3 to pi. Therefore, an is equal to 2 divided by pi into pi divided by 3n outside. Sorry, it cannot be taken. Pi by 3 into, substitute upper and lower limit. Then what do we get? Okay, if we take n out, then inside the bracket it will be sin n pi by 3 minus sin 0, one term, minus pi by 3n if we take, then inside it is sin n pi minus sin 2n pi by 3, which is equal to 2 divided by pi into pi by 3n into sin n pi by 3 minus, this is gone, 0, minus pi by 3n into, this is 0, minus sin 2n pi by 3. Okay. Therefore, 2 by pi into pi by 3n common, inside the bracket it is sin n pi by 3 minus of minus plus sin 2n pi by 3. Okay, so pi get cancelled. Therefore, an is equal to 2 divided by 3n into sin n pi by 3 plus sin 2n pi by 3. This is the value of an. Therefore, substitute the value of an, a0 and an in equation number 1. Therefore, equation number 1 becomes f of x is equal to a0 by 2 is gone, that is 0. Then straight away it is 2 divided by 3 into summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of 1 divided by n into sine n pi by 3 plus sine 2n pi by 3, that into cos nx. So this is the required series. Thank you.